Hey there, coffee lovers! Today we're making a latte on the S1 Vivaldi II from La Spaziale. Let's get started. Alright, so what I've already gone ahead and done is weighed out 18.5 grams of espresso, which is perfect for the double shot basket that comes with the Vivaldi II. I've already gone ahead and distributed it with a WDT tool and also used a nice and even tamp, making sure to be completely level. I used our Malconic X54 all-around home grinder to achieve these nice even espresso results. I've also gone ahead and pre-programmed in our double shot in our volumetrics here, and if you're interested in seeing how to program your machine, please see our other video on programming your Vivaldi II. Let's get started by purging our group head. I also have the 8-second pre-infusion on, inserting our shot, tearing out our cup so we can weigh out our shot, starting our shot timer, and starting our shot. Alright, so running just about 23 seconds, a little bit on the faster side, but that's okay. We got about 49 grams out because I'm using a light roast, so the higher yield is going to work in our favor. So this is a dual boiler machine and we can brew and steam at the same time, but just for this video we were steaming separately. Let's go ahead and show you that steaming power in action. This machine has a nice 4-hole steam tip and delivers a lot of steaming power, creating a really nice, even, consistent microfoam. As we're getting hot to the touch, we wait a few more seconds and then we're coming right up to about the 140-150 range. And if you're interested in learning latte art, we do have an entire course available on our website, so make sure to check that out after this video. And there we go, a nice little tulip with some beautiful microfoam there. So there you have it, that's how to make a latte using the S1 Vivaldi II from La Spaziale. Make sure to go on over to our website after the video to check out the great deals on this machine and many more. Our friendly customer support is standing by via live chat or phone to help you make the right decision. Stay tuned for more videos, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.